So what do you do if you need marketing visuals, but you only have a few minutes to work? Or are you going to use AI? What we're going to do is we're going to use Claude AI for the prompt writing, and we're going to use the new ChatGPT 4.0 model to do the image generating and the campaign visuals. So what we're going to do is we start from Claude AI and we ask it to write a ChatGPT 4.0 prompt for our visual. We want the product to be a granola bar, and we have 3 flavors: red, green and blue. The name is going to be Grano, and the slogan can be your healthy snack. We want bright, bold colors, and we want the 3 bars to be floating through the air with the ingredients around it. Then we let it generate the prompt. And the cool thing is that it will generate it in such a way that we have all the details. We have the composition, we have the visual style, we have brand elements, and we have a target feeling of the slide. Then we just copy the prompt that we have generated, and we jump into ChatGPT. Here we paste it in, and we press generate. Then we give it a few seconds or a few minutes to load, depending on the business. This is a sped up version. I think it took about 1 minute. And here we can see the result. And it's incredible what we can generate in just a few simple clicks. Now the result I think is absolutely fantastic. It's not perfect yet, but you can do some tweaking here and there. So that is definitely possible. I really think it's going to change the entire designing landscape. So I'm curious to see where it's going to take us.